The New Orleans airport has been turned into a makeshift hospital. In fact, it looks almost like an emergency room.
Fox 26's Randy Wallace has been there all night and joins us live to show us the situation there. Good afternoon, Randy.
Good afternoon, Jose and Jan. As you can see, the military effort here is intensifying minute by minute. The big thing right now is to get everybody out of here. That's the big push, to get everybody that's left in New Orleans out of New Orleans. The group of people that you see standing right over here waiting, they're coming from the Superdome, and basically they're just waiting on a bus to finally get them out of town. One of the things too that all the sick and injured folks, a lot of them have left here. They've been flown out of here to various hospitals, but still they're expecting to see even more injured, even more sick folks in the middle of the airport. One of the things that we keep hearing from everyone involved, that they're used to seeing natural disasters. They all say the same thing. They've never seen anything like this.
People are homeless, they're desperate. I've never seen anything where people didn't have food to eat or water. So it's like out of a disaster movie, as far as I can see. I've never seen anything like it.
And you have to treat these people rather quickly, right? It's just go from one to the other.
Right. They've emptied out nursing homes, hospitals. So we have 3 tents. We have chronic, acute, and the minor injuries. And we've had people that have been pulled from houses that have had a fellow that had a cut lip, black eyes, head injury.
One of the things that we keep hearing, and it's one of the most distressful things that's going on out here, there's so many people that still don't know if their loved ones are still alive. We're still getting approached by people practically begging us to put them on TV, or to go on TV and ask if they know where so-and-so is, or to let so-and-so know that they're still alive. One of the most disturbing things that we've heard out here was last night in the airport, in the area that's kind of like the emergency room part of the makeshift hospital, if you will. 2 guys in there, they were beaten to a bloody pulp, and they told us that what had happened was they watched their best friend got murdered in the Superdome in front of their eyes. So it's like one awful thing just seems to keep following one right after the other for some of these folks. But right now, again, the big push is to get everybody out of town. And once that finally happens, then maybe the rebuilding can actually begin here. Reporting live from New Orleans, Jan, Jose, back to you.
Randy, I don't mean to be morbid, but since you are in a facility that's kind of an emergency room, there are deaths. Have they set up any type of a temporary morgue to place any of the bodies of those who died?
Yeah, unfortunately, some of the folks in there, and keep in mind, you got people in there that they've been transferred from various hospitals, nursing homes. They're dying in there. They've expired in there. They passed away in there. And in some instances, unfortunately, they're lying on stretchers, and some of those people haven't been covered. But the thing that the medical personnel have to concentrate on right now are the people that they can save, the people that they can help. But you're absolutely right, Jose. It's almost like a little morgue, if you will, because of everything that's happened here.
All right, thank you. Randy Wallace reporting from New Orleans, Louisiana.